Aging isn't wrinkles, it's degeneration. And most people are aging faster than they should. If you're tired, gaining weight, losing muscle, brain fog, not sleeping, moody, or feeling just not like yourself anymore, you've probably been told you're just getting older. No, you're not. This is what happens when hormones crash and no one replaces them correctly. I'm Dr. Cheryl Winter. I've spent decades watching people get put on more medications while the real root cause is ignored. Hormone decline isn't a lifestyle issue, it's a biology issue. When hormones are optimized for men and women, energy comes back, bodies respond again, brains sharpen, and life feels like showing up for. If you're done settling for normal, subscribe. This channel is about fixing the cause so you can actually thrive.